In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write perfect emails with Grammarly AI step by step so you can clean up your messages, improve your tone, and make every email sound more polished and professional. Whether you're replying to clients, sending work updates, or just trying to make your writing clearer, Grammarly can help you fix mistakes and rewrite your text in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your email client or go into your browser and start a new email message. Click inside the text field so you can begin typing your draft. This is where Grammarly AI will start analyzing your writing in real time and giving you suggestions as you go. Now, as you type, look for the green G icon. In some cases, you may also see a number next to it, which means Grammarly has detected multiple suggestions or pending corrections in your email. Click that green G icon to open the suggestions window. Once it opens, Grammarly will show you different levels to improve your writing, such as fixing grammar, spelling, punctuation, clarity, and even sentence structure. From here, review each suggestion carefully. If Grammarly recommends a correction that makes sense, click Accept to apply it instantly. If you don't want to use that change, click Dismiss to ignore it and keep your original wording. This is a great way to quickly clean up your message without having to manually hunt down every mistake. You can also make edits directly inside the email draft by looking for underlined text. Grammarly often highlights words or phrases right in the message itself. Simply hover over the underlined section to see the suggested correction. Then decide whether you want to apply it or leave it as it is. This is especially useful when you want to review your email sentence by sentence and make sure everything reads smoothly. Next, if you want more advanced help, click the green bulb icon beside the G icon. That opens the assistant panel, which gives you even more writing tools. This is where Grammarly AI becomes especially useful because it can do more than just fix errors. It can help you rewrite your entire message. Inside the assistant panel, you'll see options like rewrite. If your email sounds too casual, too wordy, or just not polished enough, use rewrite to improve the text automatically. Grammarly will generate a cleaner version of your message while keeping your original meaning intact. You can also choose adjust tone if you want your email to sound more confident, more friendly, more professional, or more concise. This is perfect when you're sending an important message and want to make sure the tone matches the situation. For example, if you're writing to a boss, client, or recruiter, a confident tone can make a big difference. And if you want complete control, you can type a custom instruction into the prompt field. This lets you tell Grammarly exactly what you want it to do. You could ask it to make your email shorter, more persuasive, more formal, or easier to understand. That makes it a powerful tool for tailoring your writing to any audience. So the full process is simple. Start your email, check the green Grammarly suggestions, accept or dismiss changes, hover over underlined text for quick fixes, and use the assistant panel to rewrite or adjust the tone of your message. Once you get used to these tools, writing better emails becomes much faster and much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.